For LA plumbers, the way customers find you is changing completely. The reason is artificial intelligence. If your website is your primary source of leads, know this. AI summaries can cause your clicks to drop by 61%. But the opposite is also true. The plumbers cited inside these AI answers see 120% more clicks than competitors. This isn't about ranking number one anymore. It's about being the single, trusted answer that AI chooses to recommend. In the next few minutes, we will show you the exact strategies to become the plumber that AI selects, from foundations to advanced tactics. How soon is this happening? By early 2026, AI summaries will show up on 68% of local searches. This is a present reality. The clicks disappear because 1/4 of all searches now end inside the AI panel. The customer gets an answer and never visits your site. Your old goal of ranking on page 1 is obsolete. The new goal is to be an authority that Google's AI trusts enough to quote directly. Okay, the stakes are clear. But how does this AI actually think? How does it pick a plumber for a leaky pipe in Torrance? First, AI doesn't see just keywords. It sees entities. It needs to understand what your business is, not just what words are on your page. The first step to building that entity trust is absolute consistency. Your name, address, and phone number must be identical everywhere. This is so important because your Google business profile is the central hub AI uses to verify you. Every detail feeds its understanding. So how do you communicate the specifics of your services directly to the AI? You use structured data, or schema markup. AI needs certainty. Schema removes the guesswork. It labels your information so the AI can categorize and trust it completely. The AI then takes this perfectly structured data and cross-references it with your GBP and reviews. When it all matches, you become a candidate. So if structured data is the language AI understands best, what are the most powerful words an LA plumber can use to get featured? Now let's move from the how to the what. Here are the specific, high-impact tactics that get you chosen by AI. Let's answer that question. The most powerful word is answer. Plumbers using FAQ schema are 3.2 times more likely to appear. Next, create hyper-local content AI can't find elsewhere. Don't write water heater costs. Write tankless heater cost in Van Nuys and keep it fresh. AI heavily favors recency. Updating your service pages every 30 days can make you 3.2 times more likely to be cited. AI also reads your reviews like a customer. It looks for specific keywords like fixed the leak quickly. Encourage detailed feedback. So, to recap the winning plays. Use FAQ schema, create hyperlocal content, keep it fresh, and get detailed reviews. But what about ChatGPT? Getting recommended by ChatGPT is a different beast entirely. It is incredibly selective, often suggesting only a handful of businesses. Why is it so difficult? Because ChatGPT doesn't use Google for its data. It relies heavily on Bing's search index and Bing Places. This means a fully optimized Bing Places profile is no longer optional. It is your direct ticket to being considered by this AI model. For both Google and ChatGPT, being mentioned on other trusted sites is a massive signal. A feature in a local LA blog tells AI you're an authority. As you can see, there isn't a single magic bullet. It is about building a web of trust signals that all point to you as the best choice. So let's bring this all together. How do all these pieces create a single, powerful AI strategy for your plumbing business? We talked about consistent NAP and a perfect GBP. That's your foundation. Your hyperlocal content works because the AI already trusts your business. Remember how structured data is the language of AI? Using FAQ schema hands the AI the exact answer it needs to feature you. That's how you get that 120% click increase. Think of it like this. Your GBP and NAP are the engine block. Your local content is the fuel, and mentions on other sites act as the turbocharger. The path forward is clear. First, accept this new reality. Second, perfect your trust signals. GBP, Bing, and NAP. Third, execute advanced tactics. And once you get that AI-driven traffic, don't lose it. Use an AI chatbot on your site to capture leads 24/7, since emergencies happen after hours. Your first step is to audit your business against these pillars. Check your NAP consistency. Optimize your Google and Bing profiles. The 61% drop in clicks is coming for plumbers who ignore this shift. But the 120% gain is there for those who become the single, trusted answer.